Seeing the connection error message on Roblox? Here are a few ways to fix the issue. First, let's refresh your internet connection. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. Then, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds. This disconnects all network activity. Now, turn airplane mode off again, and reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once that's done, reopen Roblox and check if it's working. If the issue continues, adjust your date and time. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down, and select General. Next, click on the date and time option. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Incorrect date or time can block Roblox from connecting to its servers. After you enable it, go back and relaunch Roblox. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to clear Roblox's cached data. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Scroll down, then select General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Find Roblox, and tap on it. Next, select Offload app. Then reinstall it. On Android, go to Settings. Scroll down, and click on Apps. Look for the Roblox app, and click on it. Then select Storage and Cache. Now, tap on Clear Cache. This refreshes the app and removes unnecessary data. If none of these steps work, the problem might be with Roblox servers. Open any browser and search for "Is Roblox down?" Click on Down Detector or a similar site. If you see a spike in outage reports, Roblox servers are likely down. In that case, you'll just need to wait until Roblox restores its servers.